Hello learners, I'm Ulysses Roman and welcome to Microsoft Excel Tips Analyze Data. Let's begin learning. So there's this pretty cool feature in Excel called Analyze Data that utilizes artificial intelligence to generate charts and graphs based on data within a table. It's a cool feature, so let me show you how it works. So as you can see, I have a table here that has a list of movie titles, its release dates, the lead actors in those movies, the directors. We have gross revenue and budget, a lot of information. So the first thing you want to do is just click anywhere within the table. You're going to go to Home. On the top right hand corner, there's an icon called Analyze Data. You're going to click on that. And a window's going to pop up with various charts and tables that were generated. As you can see, there's various types. The first one is gross revenue by color and black and white in title. We have directors' Facebook likes, gross revenue by title, total revenue by genre, so on. And if you continue clicking, there's going to be more options to look at. We have some scattered charts, line graphs, bar graphs. Yeah, so I mean, it definitely provides a lot of good options. But let's say you don't see a particular graph that you would like. You could even ask it a question. So in this case, I want to know directors by budget, right? So I'm just gonna type that in, and as you can see, there you go, budget by directors. It's a nice little bar graph. You have the names of the directors, the budget amount. So I like this particular chart. I'm just gonna hit insert pivot table, and as you can see, it created a pivot table. Here's the chart itself with the names of the directors. Um, it's a cool feature. If you want to change the design of the chart itself, you just click on Design, and under chart style, you can kind of play around with the various background options. You could even change the colors over here. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. I highly recommend that you try it out. For more Excel resources and video content, please visit my website at ulyssesroman.com.